In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix washed out colors in CapCut PC. If your screen recording looks foggy, grey, flat, or faded after you import it into CapCut, don't worry. This is a very common issue, especially with screen captures, and the good news is that it's also very easy to correct. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a quick adjustment method that helps bring back stronger contrast, healthier color, and a much cleaner overall image using only a few settings inside CapCut on PC. To get started, look down at your timeline and find the video clip that appears washed out. Click directly on that clip once so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut only lets you adjust the clip that is currently highlighted. Once the clip is selected, move your attention to the top right Properties panel. In that workspace, click on the Adjustment tab. Then make sure the basic submenu just underneath it is selected as well. That will open the main correction controls you need for this fix. Now it's time to restore some depth to the image. Inside that panel, scroll down a little until you reach the color controls. First, find the contrast slider. Click and drag it to the right until it reaches about 15. This helps separate the brighter parts of the image from the darker parts, so the clip no longer looks dull and low energy. It's a simple change, but it makes a big visual difference right away. Next, move down to the saturation slider. Drag that up to around 12. This adds color back into the recording and helps reverse that faded, lifeless look. If you're working with screen recordings, this is especially helpful because interface elements, borders, and colored details often start looking much clearer and more defined after this adjustment. After that, scroll slightly farther until you reach the light section. Find the shadows control and drag it left to around -10. This step helps remove the remaining gray haze that often sits over the darker parts of the clip. As you make this change, keep an eye on the preview window in the center. You should notice the muddy overlay disappearing, with dark text becoming deeper and cleaner, while lighter backgrounds look brighter and more balanced in real time. That's it. With just a few quick moves through the Properties panel and a simple baseline color correction setup, you can dramatically improve washed-out footage in CapCut.